Hello, in this video I want to show you a few settings that you need to change for your Razer Viper V2 Pro. And to do this, you'll need to get Razer Synapse app. You can check our previous video on how to download it. Now let's click on our mouse. Here select Customize, and first thing is to cycle up sensitivity stages using your button on the mouse. It's this one right here, or you can go for this one right here if you like. And it helps you to change DPI quickly without picking up your mouse and clicking on this button right here. And you can do it like that. So just click on the mouse button, then sensitivity, and here make sure to select cycle up sensitivity stages and click on save. Next thing is performance tab. And right here you can adjust the sensitivity stages, DPI stages for your mouse, and I would go for 3 stages and then nothing less or more, but it's your preference, so you can go for anything here basically. So I'm using 3 stages to help me change between different stages of what I need to actually do right now. Make sure that this one is actually disabled, as it's kind of garbage, so your mouse moves in different patterns and it's not good. So I'm gonna disable it, and yeah, I'm using something like that with a DPI adjusted to your liking. Make sure that your polling rate is set to 1000. It gives you best refresh rate for your mouse, and it's no point to set it low, so just go right here in 1000. Next is mouse properties, so you can open Windows mouse properties. Here I'm always going for something like 6 in double click speed, and also make sure that you go for pointer options, and yeah, here go for the 6, and disable enhance pointer precision and click on apply. In calibration I wouldn't change anything honestly, but if you have any mousepad from Razer you can configure it to your liking. It's a lot of options, and I mean, maybe not a lot of options, but it never worked out for me well, so just don't change anything here. In power you can adjust the power savings for your mouse, so enter sleep mode in idle for a different amount of minutes, and low power mode when wireless, enter low power mode if battery is below, and here you can set specific percentage. And that's basically all of the settings I would suggest to change for your mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.